Hello, today I'll present the role of global technical leader in packaging area. Behind the scenes of major industrial companies lies a role that drives innovation, performance, and global standardization, the global technical leader engineer packaging. This position stands at the crossroads of engineering, industrial design, and project management. Its mission? To design, deploy, and optimize packaging equipment on a global scale, while keeping tight control over costs, timelines, and performance. Discover the 5 pillars of the global technical leader scope. At the heart of the job lies the technical design and standardization of packaging equipment. The global technical leader packaging defines the technical specifications of machines. They collaborate with suppliers to create robust, scalable solutions that meet the company's global standards. This standardization ensures worldwide consistency, identical performance, reliability, and technical interfaces across all sites. Thus, each new installation is based on a proven design, reducing risks and commissioning times. A key aspect of the role is managing the capital expenditure, CAPEX budget. The global technical leader oversees packaging investments, building business cases, defining financial envelopes, and prioritizing projects according to their return on investment. Each installation must strike a balance between technical performance, cost optimization, and sustainability. They closely monitor expenses, supplier quotations, and project profitability, ensuring a healthy balance between innovation and budget control. Once the design is validated and the budget approved, the key phase begins: industrial deployment. The global technical leader supports local teams throughout the project through layout and design reviews, planning, risk management, coordination between suppliers and local maintenance teams. They ensure that installations are properly executed, from assembly to commissioning. Each project becomes an opportunity to learn, improve standards, and share best practices for future lines. This role extends beyond borders. The global technical leader packaging acts as a worldwide reference within a network of engineers, technicians, and managers. They compare line performance across sites, identify areas for improvement, and guarantee technical coherence at the global level. With this transversal perspective, they can anticipate technological evolutions, capacity needs, and local regulatory requirements. The packaging engineer of the future doesn't think only in terms of productivity. They design lines capable of integrating sustainable materials, optimizing energy use, and reducing waste. They test new technologies, such as more precise dosing systems, smart automation, and connected solutions for predictive maintenance. Their mission is to combine performance, responsibility, and long-term vision. Being a global technical leader engineer packaging means being the technical guardian of global industrial expertise. It means understanding the machine, the product, the cost, and the people. It means turning the complexity of an international network into technical and economic harmony. Thanks to this role, every new site and every new packaging line becomes a pillar of performance, quality, and sustainability. Thanks for joining me today. If you're passionate about operations, technology, and global impact, this might just be the career for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. See you next time.